Chicago, I think it was a fantastic city. I'd never been there before, and I really sort of totally immersed myself.
My favorite site visit is definitely to Madison Dearborn. We went to about halfway through the program. We got to meet the chairman of Madison Dearborn Partners and have lunch with him. And he's a living legend. He's made one of the first LBOs. So to be able to meet him as a student, as a fellow Duke alum, it was a really great experience.
Our visit to the Art Institute of Chicago was phenomenal.
It really gave me experience firsthand how finance doesn't just have to be at an investment bank or hedge fund, but rather there are finance departments in museums, within different types of industries, and it's kind of reassuring to know that there are so many jobs out there that you can take this career path into.
Second City was fantastic. It's a renowned comedy club up on the Gold Coast in Chicago. We took the whole evening off and went up there with everyone, and it was really funny. It was hilarious. It was a great bonding experience with the rest of our class, and it's something that I highly recommend to everyone going to Chicago.
The most valuable parts of the program was just having a ton of different Duke alumni come in and talk about their careers. And I think one of the main takeaways from the class was just realizing how many different areas of finance there really are. That definitely gave me a better understanding of what I wanted to do.